this is the mixture blend that I put on my hair right after I braid my hair. And I really like this because it really helps with flaky scalp and itchy scalp after good braiding. So yeah, this is a mixture of tea tree oil and grapeseed oil blend. You have to mix the essential oil with a Korea oil. Korea oils like rapeseed oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, and I add it. I put some already inside in between the bun, so I'm just gonna add a few in between the braid lines. And massage it into my hair. So this really helps. I had this bottle for some time now, and I've been reusing it. Just clean it and then I reuse it. This label, it's a DIY. I did at home, and I just put tea tree oil with grapeseed oil so that it's cute, and I have like a little label. This is one that I use all the time after I braid my